Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and if you're on this page, you're here to see the first ever AI automation engine that finds, learns about, and sells clients automatically. Yep, we've created a unique AI engine that finds, trains itself on, and closes $500 to $1,000 clients for you in any niche and or location. I'm talking about having instant access to the highest quality clients so that you can make more profit while working less and dominate any local area, while our AI continuously provides you with all the buyer leads you'd ever need on a silver platter. Our AI app allows you to instantly access targeted buyers in any niche that desperately need your help, while putting you directly in touch with the decision maker that will happily pay you $500 to $1,000 or more for your services. Yes, you heard that correctly. Our AI will find and expose all the most critical issues that are preventing these businesses from generating more sales, so you're only working with clients that you know need your help. I'm talking about businesses with critical issues like having an unclaimed Google listing, not having an SSL certificate installed, having broken links on their sites, having an outdated website, and much more. Plus, right now, you'll be securing a huge 73% charter members discount and some exclusive limited time bonuses not available anywhere else. Starting today, getting high quality clients will never be the same. Here's something most gurus will never tell you. The secret to success is actually very simple. Seriously, the problem with most people finally having their breakout year is that they're overcomplicating the process that it takes to be successful. If we were to break down success to its most simplest form, the only things you really need are high quality leads with an actual problem in their business, providing a solution to those leads for their problem. It's really that simple. If you can have leads constantly coming into your pipeline and they have a critical problem that you know you can solve for them, you do not need anything else to be successful online. Clients with problems equals losing sales and profit. You solve those problems, it equals clients make more sales and profit. Just take a second to imagine that. Imagine never having to worry about having fresh, high quality leads entering your pipeline on a daily or weekly basis. Imagine if you had an AI engine that instantly trained itself and learned everything there is to know about these clients' business, products, and services. And then imagine if this same AI was able to identify the most critical problems these businesses have with their online presence, sales, and conversions, so it's only providing you with leads that already have one or multiple problems in their business that you know you can solve. And imagine if this same AI also acted as your outreach agent to be able to write you a proven, non-salesy message that gets these leads to hire you to solve those problems. And then imagine being able to fulfill one of those services instantly by using our Done For You platform. And I'm not talking about our AI providing you with just any random leads. I'm talking about only talking to clients that our AI has identified as having one or more critical problems in their business, preventing them from generating more sales and profit. Well, that's exactly what you're getting today. Our app will only provide you with leads that are in desperate need of your help and are ready to pay you for that help. Because let's get real for a second. Having or starting a marketing agency right now is one of the smartest and fastest ways to generate your first $1,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 sale. Especially right now. These businesses are in desperate need of your help, and the AI boom has simplified everything. You're not chasing leads or convincing people they need help. You're offering solutions to big problems that our AI has already identified they have. Big problems that are preventing these clients from getting more traffic, more customers, more sales, and more profit. All of this equals to one of the biggest opportunities you've ever seen. There will be more people building 6 to 7 figure agencies over the next couple of years than ever before. The current AI boom that we're in right now is one of the biggest opportunities for anyone to really take their business to the next level. And you want to know the best part? Literally anyone who's on this page right now has the ability to be one of these people who end up being at the right place at the right time. Because the amazing thing about starting your own agency during the AI boom is that you do not need any experience, you do not need any skills, you do not need to wait months to see results. AI makes everything so much simpler and faster. In fact, you can start your agency today and literally have your first client by lunchtime tomorrow. Running your own marketing agency can truly provide you with results that fast. And when you're working with local businesses, you're dealing in high ticket prices. You can be collecting your first $500, $1,000, or even $5,000 check within days of starting your agency. However, the reason most people never get results that fast comes down to one simple problem. Most people do not know how to have a constant stream of buyer leads in their pipeline. At the end of the day, that is truly what holds people back from their agency truly taking off. The biggest difference between agencies that fail and agencies that hit the 6 to 7 figure mark is simple. Agencies that hit the 6 to 7 figure level have a constant stream of qualified leads hitting their desk every day. In fact, most successful agencies that have access to qualified leads have to start turning business away, which is a great problem to have, right? And that's exactly what you're getting today. Allow me to introduce you to Aigency Valet. Aigency Valet is our new, done-for-you web app that provides you with targeted buyers with existing problems in any niche that are ready to pay you $500 to $1,000 or more for your help. Yup, we've created a better, faster, and smarter way to grow your agency to the 6 to 7 figure level in record time using AI. And at this point, I'd like to invite you to go below this video, watch the demo video, check out the example campaigns, check out the bonuses, and then take advantage of this amazing charter members discount. I look forward to seeing you in the members area.